Hello friends, this is Anand and today I'm here with a video on DEFY Gravity Pro. So let's get started. So on the front side of the box is written DEFY Gravity Pro and this is the picture of the earbuds, and it's written 10 minutes charge is equal to 3 hours of playback. On the side the features are given: Bluetooth version 5.3, 24 hours of total playback, brisk charge technology with Type-C fast charging, and it's IPX4 water and sweat resistant, and it has an immersive sound experience of 13mm, and it has quick pair and connect technology and 4 mics inbuilt, and it also has a turbo mode with 50 ms of low latency. It's imported and marketed by Imagine Marketing Limited, and its MRP is 26.99, but you will get this for a discounted price of 13.99 rupees on Flipkart. You can buy it from the link given in the description down below. And the package contains one DEFY Gravity Pro earbuds, a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a warranty card. So now let's unbox this. So these are the earbuds. Let's keep them aside. Let's see the other things. This is the Type-C charging cable, and these are the documents. This is the user manual, and this is the warranty card. You can give a missed call on this number to activate your product's warranty. So now let's see the earbuds. So on the front side of the earbuds, the DEFY branding is there, and on the back side the Type-C charging port is there, and these are the LED indicators. So it has a sliding case. You can slide the case to open and close it, and these are the earbuds. Now let's talk about the build quality of these earbuds. The build quality is quite great. It has a DEFY branding on both the earbuds with a silver hallmark, and it has 2 microphones on each buds, and these are the charging pins. The build quality of the charging case is also quite cool. It has a sliding case, and it has 4 LED indicators on the front side. To pair these earbuds, you just have to open the case and you have to turn the Bluetooth on your phone. After that, you have to click on DEFY Gravity Pro and it will get connected to the phone. So now let's check the sound quality of these earbuds. So now let's see how it will look when you wear it. So this was the unboxing of these DEFY Gravity Pro earbuds. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also get all my interesting videos.